chocolate chocolate nom nom nom. Can you hold that? Don't put it on my face. Next ingredient or what?
That's it.
Really? Just this.
Put it in the container too.
Oh. Tell me when to stop.
Stop anytime you like.
There. Do you like put in the microwave or oven or what?
In the fridge.
That's one. Crackle done. And time for the more. So many. There's a party in the USA. What about that one? Why didn't you put that one in there?
Okay.
I'm gonna move it.
No, hang on.
Oh.
Let's see.
I don't believe that. energy 1600 kg, sat fat 0.1 g, sugars 8.7 g, sodium 8.7 g, no, 415 mg, and iron is 8.6 g. Wow. Nice bubbles. Coffee. So you need coconut. So you put in the rice bubbles in a bowl like that, and then you put on the sugar, soft icing mix, then the coconut, and then the cacao powder, sodium mixture, and cacao powder. 10%. Da ba 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 boo. Fitbit. Oof. I haven't stepped a lot.
You helping Granddad, mate?
He's recording.
Hey?
Yeah, I was recording.
Oh,
But I was recording. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. They're a squid. So much food. Level. Bye bye. I mean, look at that ball. Oof. That one stopped running.
Yeah, just go.
Yeah, okay.
The hand is good.
Oh, gonna wipe my hands. Milo, Pringles, things, jigs, and well, I kind of showed you how to make a chocolate joy, but not really. Oh, also I got Spidey. Spidey senses are tingling. So this video is like, instead of any other, sounds like shout outs and that. So I might do another one if I cook again, but probably never gonna cook. What the fudge does this thing do? Ant-Man, Supersonic, Batman, Deadpool, Sonic, Iron Man. But guess what? Deadpool's on a little scooter from the movie Deadpool 2. And then this. And yeah, so that's all. I'm gonna end the video right there. And yeah, that rhymes. So it must be true. Lol, bye.